brother?
Fuck. That's easy.
No, aguanta, aguanta. Go for it. Yo creo que o torquearon mucho o los tornillos rehusaron de regreso los tornillos viejos. Creo que yo nunca uso los tornillos de regreso yo.
Tell me the good news, Shotty.
There ain't no good news, man.
Damn.
Look. The bolt.
Holy cow. Bolt bro.
So either they torqued too much, they over torqued it, or they reused the bolts again.
They reused the bolts again.
So, I mean, one little tiny mistake, look at that.
I even see the piece laying in here. I know, that's just part of the block.
I'm about to take the cap off.
¿Dónde está el tornillo?
I think I got it in my pocket.
All right, take this thing off. Let's look at the crank.
Yeah, I'm about to look at.
Yeah,
Oh no, it's right here, look.
Jesus, man, this idiots, man. Look at that, broke.
Yeah.
That's why you never reuse bolts again. Nunca se usan los tornillos de regreso. You never reuse them.
Yeah, that's what I tell
That's
you.
unprofessional.
That's the reason why I tell you. Always get new bolts for everything.
Siempre, always.
Está pandeado el tornillo.
¿Ah?
This bolt's bent.
Let's see how the crank is.
It might be fine.
I hope so.
I think we're in luck, man.
Jesus, thank you. Yep.
It's a little scrape, but
Yeah, but it'll be fine.
it'll make it.
Yep, it'll make it. No siento nada de rough. Just a little scrape on it. Yep,
What you gotta do
it's good.
is get the original bearing.
Yep. Now the question is the piston good? Maybe we should put a new piston with a new rod.
No, the piston's fine.
Think so?
It should be fine.
But it took a lot of beating on it.
Nah, it barely scrapes it. I mean, if you want to change the whole piston, change the whole piston, I guess.
Well, it looks good. It just took some dents on it. Yeah.
The valves, I'm not sure though.
The valves, yeah, we've got to do new valves. Order new valves for it.
But like I said,
Yeah.
if you want to change it, it doesn't.
No.
doesn't feel-
Order the new valves and order all of them new bolts. All of them with new spun bearings.
Oh, you don't wanna, yeah, but you don't want to do that though.
Do all the spun bearings?
No, you don't want to do that
Why?
because you know.
Oh,
that could
yeah,
mess it up.
it's already, yeah.
Yeah, only
No,
only
no,
this one right
Yeah,
here.
let's just do that one and do all the new bolts. Todos los tornillos nuevos.
All the bolts.
Yep, all the bolts new.
Right.
And that should do it.
Yeah, man.
Yep.
That's weird.
Holy cow. Shorty salió de aquí, Eduardo.
Sí, le digo,
Shorty salió de
a
aquí y de repente empezó a hacerle pa, 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 pa.
la
Y
esquina,
yo le
solamente
dije-
fui y de repente pasó el tornillo que se
Y yo me le iba a llevar en un service call para Mary y le dije, Shorty, si me hubiera ido, si lo hubiéramos echado todo el motor. Yep, then we would need an engine. Ah, entonces voy a llamar a ese hijo de mañana y le voy a comprar el plow para montarlo al otro.